For me, it's one of the biggest events of the world in GT. I really like this race since a lot of time. I dreamed to drive here.
Going faster is more exciting for us, so it's really nice. And as the tarmac is brand new, it's like super soft and super comfy to be driving the car there. So it's really nice. I mean, driving a Ferrari is amazing, but driving the 296 GT3 on this crazy track as Spa and for 24 hours is really amazing.
Like always in Spa 24, you get a bit of everything. You get 4 seasons in one race. So the good thing is that we seem to have a very good all-rounder car.
When the dark comes in, it's like super dark.
A lot of rain, heavy rain in the night. So in the morning after the rain, actually we were recovering a little bit.
Team did a great job, the car was great.
With the second one undercut, so I entered very fast in the pit and Ale completed the job, overtaking the both car.
In the last 4 or 5 hours we took the lead.
It's 51, that's the lead car that can't get into the pit lane.
It's a shame lose the race just to find a car that is blocking the pit lane.
I don't think we deserve this, but it's like this, it's racing. What I can say, we are so proud of what we did because they are really important points in a difficult condition. And like you know, Spa is always Spa.